Good morning students, standard third standard subject English. Okay, head, knees, shoulders and toes where I have left, okay, in the last class. So this is the continued class. So see here, godliness is dash next cleanness too. So see here, can you think of proverbs related to human body and its function in English on your mother tongue? Mother tongue means own language, Kannada, mother tongue. Yes, you have different type of mother tongues, Kannada, Hindi, Urdu. Okay, rearrange the power saying given below, add a few more. So see here, godliness is next cleanness to us. What is the meaning? So see here, godliness is cleanness to next. Okay, godliness is next to cleanliness. So answer is godliness is next to cleanliness is the answer. Worship, work is. So what is the answer? Work is worship. Work is worship. So see here, index is of mind face the face is the index of mirror. Face is the index of the mind. So first one comes the face is the index of mind. The face is the index of mind. So answer. So see here, an apple doctor a day away the keeps. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. So this is the importance. Once again we'll say it about it. So see here, godliness is next cleanness to it. Godliness is to next cleanliness. Godliness is next to cleanliness is the answer. Worship, work is. Work is worship. Work is worship. Index is of mind face the. Face is the index. So face is the index of mind. You have to write the answer over here. Okay. So see here, an apple doctor a day away the keeps. So see here, answer, an apple a day keeps the doctor away is the answer for you. So see here, next one. So see here, my progress. So see here, my progress. I cannot recite the rhyme without mistakes. So what you can do, if you have, this is a good naughty face like that, okay, I cannot recite the rhymes without mistakes, you have to put a good mark over here. I can take roles and read the dialogues aloud, you can put a good mark over here. I can read the text. So depending upon your choice you have to make it. Okay, so very important one, unit third, celebration, English, okay, third standard. So see here, let's listen and sing. I salute my flag. Yes, what he does, they salute the flag, yes or no? I salute my flag, I salute my flag. Yes, salute and namaskar mado. I salute my flag, I salute my flag. It makes me proud. Yes, it makes me proud. I am an Indian. Yes, they are an Indian. It says out loud. Loud agi ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ. I am an Indian. It says out loud. Three bright colors, saffron, white, green. There are three bright colors, saffron, white and green. Adorn my flag, saffron, white and green. So this is a saffron, this is a white and this is a green. So see here, so plenty of religions are there. This is a Muslim guy, okay, yes or no? This is a Hindu, this is a Christian, this is a Parsi, okay. What they are doing, all they are saluting the flag. What they are doing, all they are saluting the flag and they are proud of it. ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಐತಿ, ದೇಶದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಐತಿ. Makes me glad. The Ashoka Chakra. So see here, the Ashoka Chakra, it is there in the between, blue and white, spins for progress, flying high. Spins for progress, flying high. So see here, what they does is, so see here, I salute my flag. I salute my flag. Always you have to, what you do, you have to salute the flag. Flag ಅನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ನಮಸ್ಕಾರನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ರೌಡ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ದೇಶದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಐ ಸಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮೈ ಫ್ಲಾಗ್, ಐ ಸಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮೈ ಫ್ಲಾಗ್. ಇಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ಸ್ ಮೀ ಪ್ರೌಡ್, ಇಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಪ್ರೌಡ್ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, I am an Indian. It says out loud. Three bright colors are there. What are the three bright colors? Saffron is there, white is there, green is there. Okay, three bright colors, saffron, white and green. Makes me glad. The Ashoka Chakra, blue and white, spins for progress, flying high. Spins for progress, flying high. So see here, this is the very important one. I salute my flag, I salute my flag, it makes me proud, I am an Indian. They are all Indian, yes or no? 3 colors are there, saffron, white, green, and in between what is there? Ashoka chakra. Okay. Next one, see here. Repeat after the teacher. You have to repeat with me. Proud, loud, cloud, green, knee, seen, white, tight, sight, high, fly, sky, glad, bad, bad. So okay, always you have to repeat with me. Proud, loud, cloud, green, knee, seen, white, tight, sight, high, fly, sky, glad, bad, bad. Okay, you have to repeat with me. Okay, so see here. Let's remember, celebration brings joys and happiness. Yes, always what celebration is always brings what? Joy. Joy ana tartati, happiness ana kodtati. Celebration unite people and unite families. Celebration ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ, people ಅನ್ನ unite ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ, families ಅನ್ನ unite ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ. Celebration lead to national integration among the people. Celebration leads to national integration among the people. So see here, celebration brings joy and happiness. Celebration brings joy ಅನ್ನ ತರ್ತೈತಿ, happiness ಅನ್ನ ತರ್ತೈತಿ. ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಾ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್, ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಡೇ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ರಿಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಡೇ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಓಕೆ, ಗಣೇಶ್ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅದೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ, ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಜಾಯ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿನೆಸ್. ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ಯುನೈಟ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯುನೈಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲೀಸ್. ಎಸ್, ಗಣಪತಿ ದೀಪಾವಳಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ, ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಯುನೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ, ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲೀಸನ್ನು ಯುನೈಟೆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ, ಯುನೈಟೆಡ್ ಒಕ್ಕಟ್ಟು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ಲೀಡ್ ಟು ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಅಮಂಗ್ ದ ಪೀಪಲ್. ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದೇಶದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರೌಡ್ ಅನಿಸ್ತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ Lavina. So see here, we have a lot of things to do for Chirag's birthday party. Yes. So see here, we have a lot of things to do for Chirag's birthday party. Look, I have made a list. So see here, what she is telling, she is a Lavina, she is Radha. We have a lot of things to do for Chirag's birthday party. Look, I have made a lot of a list. This is Radha. Okay, Radha, good idea. Who's going to help us? Radha, good idea. Who's going to help us? Lavina, Bhuvan is going to send the invitation. Bhuvana is going to send invitation. So see here, Lavina, we have a lot of things to do for Chirag's birthday party ಮಾಡಾತಾರೆ. ಯಾರ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡಾತಾರೆ? Chirag's birthday party ಮಾಡಾತಾರೆ. Look, I have made a list. ನಾ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಲೆವಿನಾ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ. ರಾಧಾ, ಗುಡ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ, ಹೂಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಅಸ್, ಯಾರನ್ನ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ರಾಧಾ ಕೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ. ಲೆವಿನಾ, ಭುವನ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸೆಂಡ್ ದ ಇನ್ವಿಟೇಷನ್ಸ್. ಭುವನ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಅವ ಇನ್ವಿಟೇಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಪತ್ರವನ್ನು ಬರುವುದು, ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ರಾಧಾ, ಗುಡ್, ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೆಕೋರೇಟ್ ದ ಹೌಸ್. ರಾಧಾ ಕೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ, ಗುಡ್, ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೆಕೋರೇಟ್, ಯಾರು ಡೆಕೋರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಹೌಸನ್ನು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಲೆವಿನಾ, ಮದರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಾದರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಡೆಕೋರೇಟ್ ದ ಹೌಸ್. ಲೆವಿನಾ, ಮದರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಾದರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಡೆಕೋರೇಟ್ ದ ಹೌಸನ್ನು ಡೆಕೋರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ. ಸೊ ಸಿಯರ್, ಮದರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಾದರ್ ದೇ ಡೆಕೋರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಹೌಸ್. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಸೊ ಸಿಯರ್, ರಾಧಾ, ಗ್ರೇಟ್, ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ಯು ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬೈ ಫಾರ್ ಚಿರಾಗ್? ಈ ಚಿರಾಗಿಗೆ ಏನು ಬೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂತೇಳಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ರಾಧಾ. ಲೆವಿನಾ, ಗೆಟ್ಸ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಅ ಬೈಸಿಕಲ್, ಸೈಕಲನ್ನು ಕೊಡುನು ಅಂತಂತ ಲೆವಿನಾ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ. ರಾಧಾ, ದ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ನೈಸ್ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್, ಕಮ್ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋ ಟು ದ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್. ದ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ನೈಸ್ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋ ಟು ದ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮದರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅವ್ರೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಗ್ರೇಟ್, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬೈ ಆಫ್ ಚಿರಾಗಿಗೆ ಏನಾರ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಲೆವಿನ ಕೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ, ಏನು ಕೊಡೋಣ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಲೆಟ್ ಗಿವ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಅ ಬೈಸಿಕಲ್, ಸೈಕಲನ್ನು ಕೊಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ದ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ನೈಸ್ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್, ಕಮ್ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋ ಟು ದ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ ರಾಧಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಲರ್ನ್ ಎನಿ ನ್ಯೂ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಕನ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್, ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ದಮ್. ಎಸ್, ಯಾವುದು ನ್ಯೂ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಕಲ್ತಿರಿ ಇದರಾಗಿಂದ? ಬೈಸಿಕಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ನ್ಯೂ ವರ್ಡ್, ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ನ್ಯೂ ವರ್ಡ್. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ವಿಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ನ್ಯೂ ವರ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು birthday is a new word, party is a new word. You have to make a list of it and you have to write it. Market, party, birthday, bicycle. Okay, nice gift. Okay, you have to fill it. So see here, now let's read and understand the lesson on Children's Day celebration. Yes, this is Jawaharlal Nehru. See here, you can see Jawaharlal Nehru in the photo. Okay, so see here, children are the best gift to God, to the parents. Yes, they are the best gift to the God, to the parents. Children's Day in India is celebrated on November 14th. November 14th ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಎವ್ರಿ ಇಯರ್, Children's Day. ಓಕೆ, November 14th is the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday ಯಾವಾಗ? November 14th. That's why they are celebrated as a Children's Day. As a tribute to Jawaharlal Nehru and his love for children, his birthday is celebrated all over India, Children's Day. ಚಿರ್ಲನ್ಸ್ ಅಫೆಕ್ಷನಲಿ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಜವಾಹರ್ಲಾಲ್ ನೆಹರು, ಚಾಚಾ ನೆಹರು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೆಸರು ಏನು Jawaharlal Nehru, they also called as Chacha Nehru or Chachaji because he was fond of chirlans. Yes, he was very much fond of chirlans and roses. He said that chirlans are like the birds in a garden. Chirlans like a birds, ಹೂಗಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. chirlans ಏನಂತ ಅವು ಗಿಡದಾಗಿನ ಹೂಗಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. Yes, in the next class again we will continue this topic. Thank you, friends.